In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant crashing mid-game. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and fix this. There's two different methods I'll show you. The first one is the most common method. So all I want to do is I want to go type in Valorant, and I don't want to open up the application. So I want to make sure it's not running in the background or anything. And once it looks like this, I don't want to open it. I want to open up the file location like so. And then once it's open like this, right click on Valorant, go over to show more options, which is right at the bottom, and then go over to properties, which is at the bottom again. It's going to open up the Valorant properties. And all I want to do now is go to compatibility. And I want to make sure that run this program in compatibility mode 4 is checked, and then switch it to Windows 8. You want to make sure it's Windows 8 and not anything before that. And then also check run this program as an administrator, click apply, click OK, and then try and run it again. Now, another reason that this could be happening, for example, if you have the NVIDIA application, if you've done the safe overclock, usually that's fine on a lot of games. So if I go to system performance, if I've done an automatic tune, that could be why Valorant's crashing. It does the same thing on Call of Duty as well. So if that's ever happening, what you want to do is just disable the automatic tuning, and then your game shouldn't be crashing anymore. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.